If you can't tell, I really like this one. I definitely can recommend that you go pick this one up. This unit, all I did was take it out of the shipping packaging. This is an HD glueless wig. It is a 7x5 bye-bye knots wig, my favorite. And it is a water wave and 24 inches long. So this is going to be super duper easy. Let me take it out of the packaging so we can look at that 7x5. Look at this unit straight out of the pack. How pretty those curls are. Beautiful. And this cap construction is my favorite current cap construction, and I'll be sure to show you why. Okay, so in the front, you get that 7x5 parting space. You get a comb to the left, a comb to the right. You also get a comb in the back, some adjustable straps. A lot of these companies have stopped adding combs, so that's a plus. Then they've included an adjustable glueless band, and then my favorite, y'all, they've included a drawstring in this unit. Which now when I get a unit that has this drawstring, y'all, I don't even have to use my combs because this drawstring makes the wig mold to my head. I'm gonna put this on my head. I'll put some water or mousse on it, give you a 360, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts, you guys. Be right back. Beautiful Nadula wig. So if you can't tell, I really like this one. Y'all know it's always three things I'm looking for. Affordability. Nadula is extremely affordable. One of the most affordable human hair wig makers on the market. This is very beginner friendly because I can't comb hair, so I always try to see, can I pull half up, half down with ease? And I can. So beginner friendliness. also check. And then quality. I knew that the quality was going to be bomb before I even pulled the wig out of the pack. Now, I have said this is some of the best human hair wig on the market. So I definitely recommend that you go pick this one up from Nadula. The thing that I absolutely love about this wig is that drawstring, y'all. When I wear the drawstring, not having the combs, which combs can cause me a headache. The glueless strap is nice too, but I'm just really into these drawstring units right now. And this one from Nadula is no different. Definitely recommend it. If you don't like this water wave pattern, know that they make this wig in every other texture, color that you could think of. So be sure to go check them out. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye guys.